Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to be talking about one of the issues you can actually fix on the new generation of Tacoma and 4Runner. Obviously, it's not going to be the fuel tank. It's not going to be the paint quality. We're talking about hood struts. Hood struts, for whatever reason, the new generation kind of fell off, right? My 2015 4Runner has them. New generation does not. In order to fix that issue, Lexlin has come out with hood struts that are an easy install on the new Tacoma and 4Runner. You can check them out, lexlin.com. You can use my code below for 20% off, and that should help you purchase these bad Johnnies. Overall, install is fairly easy, 5 to 10 minutes tops. What you'll need is a 12 millimeter socket and a 12 millimeter wrench for those tight spaces. The kit comes with the parts you need. You got the two hood struts. You'll have two separate connector pieces. The one with the notch is on the passenger side, and the other flat one is on the driver's side. First step is to connect the connectors to the hood. Then we'll install the driver's side on that pre-existing bolt. We're just going to take that off and attach it like so in this direction. For the passenger side, it's a little different. You'll have to use the bolt that comes with the kit and attach the connector with that little notch kind of sliding into the crevice, and then connect it and tighten it like so. With the hardware all installed, now we just need to connect the hood struts. To allow them to connect, you need to push up on the metal band with a flathead screwdriver. That'll open the connector, slide them on, and then push down that metal band to lock them in place. And just like that, you're complete. You no longer have to use that prop rod anymore. It can just sit on top of your truck, never to be touched again, and you can sit back, relax, and easily open your hood from your